Hello and welcome back to my cramped kitchen. You join me here on Pancake Day or Shrove Tuesday or Mardi Gras as well, is what it's also today. So obviously it's Pancake Day. We're going to make pancakes. What else would we do? And just going to follow a really simple recipe. You just need flour, milk, eggs to get the actual pancake and a bit of sugar. And then obviously toppings of your choice. We're going to go for a straightforward lemon and sugar, and we're also going to try and whip up a sort of caramelized banana thing to wrap in the middle of a pancake. We'll see how this goes. But first we need to actually make the pancakes, and let's get started with that. First things first, we will start with, I'm going to do this in a jug because it gives you the option to pour your pancake mixture into a frying pan. Makes it a lot easier to serve out, as well as one brown egg. Let's hold that forwards like we're doing some sort of makeup show. There we go, one egg, and put the egg in the jug. Did that without getting any of the shell in the egg as well. That's quite good. So, egg in jug. Next step is going to be adding in the milk. I'm just going by a really simple recipe which uses mugs as measurements. 1 mug of milk, 1 mug of flour, and 1 egg and a bit of sugar. Should provide enough for about 6 pancakes, I think. It's provided about 6 previously, so here we go. Just put the milk into the jug. There we go. So we've now got an egg floating in milk. And then what we're going to do is, try and do this very carefully, is adjust that camera so you can see what I'm doing here, because I've got an electric whisk, and we're going to use that to mix the flour in because I don't have a sieve and I'm too lazy to mix it in manually, so bear with. So I'm mostly back in frame, but more importantly you can see what we're doing. Here we've got our jug, milk, egg, and like I said, a mug of flour. Let's hold that up so you can see what we're doing here. That's full of flour, and what we're going to do is slowly pour that into here while mixing it. If we put it here, hopefully it won't knock camera 2 over. We'll see what happens. If not, we might have to move locations. So we've now got all of the flour mixed into our milk and egg mix, and it's given us a bit of a batter. And if I try and get some on the end of the beaters, you can see it just sort of drips off like a rather nice sort of really thin single cream. If we just pop that there for one moment, we just need to add one more thing. Given we're making sweet pancakes, we're not making savoury ones for doing sort of rolled dishes and stuff. We're just going to chuck in a bit of sugar, just to give it a slightly sweet tang to start with. So roughly 2 heaped tablespoons, I suppose. And we'll just mix that in. And there we have it. It's our simple, nice and easy pancake batter. If I just hold it in front of the camera for you, you can see as it sort of drips off. It's like a sort of thickish cream. And obviously, pancakes, we need a frying pan. We've got that one there, which you can see on the hob. That has been, we'll actually just set that to preheat around sort of a medium heat, and we'll just chuck a tiny drizzle of oil in there. I've got olive oil. I suppose you could use anything for this. Butter, if you've got unsalted butter as well, would probably work. You only want a very small amount. So we've got about 2 tablespoons in there. Too much and you sort of get this deep fried, really stodgy pancake. That's not what you want. You want just enough so that as it's warm, it melts and covers the bottom of the pan nice and evenly. So I'll give that a second to warm up, and I'm just going to quickly duck out of camera and prepare the banana for what I'm going to attempt to be like a sort of caramelised banana filling. One moment please. And here we have it. We have our 2 pancakes plated up. Much prefer this one. This one came out really nicely, and our other one. And what we're going to do is going to quickly whip up some toppings. Lemon and sugar. Don't really need to worry too much about whipping up toppings for that one. But this one here, we're going to try and make a little sort of caramelized banana thing. Let's see how that goes. So what I've got here on a chopping board is just a bunch of, or a load of chopped up banana, and we're going to stick that in the hot pan with a dash more oil and top it off with some golden syrup and see what happens, really. So what that is actually doing, if we quickly do this, maybe you can see, is we are caramelising off our bananas. They're going a really nice golden colour in the pan with the sugar and golden syrup, and that should create a really nice sort of sticky banana-y mess for us to stick on a pancake. But yeah, we'll see how this turns out. So over here we have our 2 pancakes. You're sort of looking over my right shoulder as I do this. I don't know why that's important to you. Left pancake, just going to liberally coat with sugar. I've had a long day, I deserve that amount of sugar. Plus, if you're topping it off with lemon, Jif lemon, surely that's fruit, that makes it healthier. So we've got a healthy squirt of that on there, we'll just roll that up. There we have one nice lemon and sugar pancake. Over on this one, we don't need to put any extra sugar on it. Because what we're going to do is going to shovel onto it our glorious sticky banana. It smells wonderful, and you get this lovely sort of burnt fond as well, which have really dark caramelised tones to it, hopefully. Scrape out that fond, yes. And then we'll try and roll this up. Probably tried to fit too much banana in there. And there we have it, our 2 finished pancakes. Just grab a fork and let's give these a go. Okay, so lemon and sugar first. I've got to apologise for all the other stuff on my table as well. We've got the massive coffee maker there and ingredients and stuff. So, lemon and sugar. Let's see how this looks. Soft and fluffy. It's unravelling a little bit. We'll get a cut from the middle where all the sugar and lemon goodness is. Oh. So the pancake is nice, it's thick, it's squidgy, sort of tastes like lemon and sugar, really. It's really quite nice. It's not too heavy, although I wouldn't want to eat more than 5. This will be the interesting one though. Our banana caramel filled one. Once again, it's soft, it's squishy. I've got that lovely hot banana filling to it. Oh. Oh, not only was the pancake better with this one, that filling, that is fantastic. I mean, it doesn't look like much. I'll try and hold it up to the camera, but honestly, very simple, but very tasty indeed. Oh. Although it will also probably give you cavities, and you should by no means eat this much sugar in one go. I am a trained professional to some degree, so I can get away with eating this much sugar. You, on the other hand, dear viewer, you probably shouldn't. Yep, caramelised banana is the winner there.